Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this set of measuring spoons and I'll open this up here. We can see it. It says this is a set, do not separate. And this is what it looks like here. And it comes with a it's got a zip tie on it. So let me see if I can find some scissors and cut it off. Cut the zip tie off. You can see it comes very well put together. So here we go. So this is, you see you've got all the different ones here. We've got all the way from a tablespoon all the way down to a 1/16 teaspoon. And it comes with this, this type of a separating thing. So, and then this here's the leveler. So what you do is you get your size that you want. So if I'm going to be doing, say 2 tablespoons. So if I need 2 tablespoons of flour, I can scoop up my flour and then I can use my little leveler to level it off. How cool is that? So it comes with the leveler. I guess you could always use one of the backs of one of the other ones too to level it off. But it comes with all these different ones here. So we've got 2 tablespoons. We've got, it wasn't 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons. We have a tablespoon. We have 2 teaspoons. Tablespoon, 2 teaspoons. Then we go down to 1 teaspoon, and then we have a 3/4 teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon, a 1/4 teaspoon, a 1/8 of a teaspoon, and a 1/16 of a teaspoon. So you have all these different ones, and it's a super heavy duty metal. So you can use these. You don't have to worry about them breaking or anything like that. You've got good. So if you've got a good commercial kitchen, even you could probably use these in there and not have to worry about stuff. And then when you want to just keep them all together, you can put them all together and connect them back up with this. And then there we are. Now they're all together. So cool little measuring spoon set. So if you need a good measuring spoon set that's nice and solid, this is the one for you for sure. Thumbs up.